Good morning, children. Children, in this class, we will what? We do the shopping. Okay, go to the shop with a 10 rupee note. Okay, children. So, I will give in money to. What I will give? I will give money to the shopkeeper. Okay, to buy the dog. The cost of the dog is 5 rupees, children. So, children, money return. The money returned to me by the shopkeeper is 5 rupees. Children, how? So, children, you write classwork. Sixteenth January of 2022. Children, you what to do? You find out how much money. Find out how much money the shopkeeper will return to the shopkeeper will return the the shopkeeper will return. Okay, children, return if each time if each time what each time rupees 10. The children, rupees 10 is given to him. Each given to him. So children, this is the what? Find how much money the shopkeeper will return if each time 10 rupee is given to him. Okay, children, you see it is 10 rupee. So children, the cost of the dog is 5 rupees. Children, so what you see? You see the cost of the dog in case 1. You see, children, it is children, what is rupees 5. Okay, then in case 1, what? When I give to shopkeeper 10 rupees, children, what I write? Money given to shopkeeper, given to shopkeeper is how much, children? Is equal to each 10 rupee, and the cost of the dog is, children, the cost of the dog is 5 rupees. What will do? What will do the shopkeeper? Shopkeeper will what? Rupees 5, because the cost of the Dog is 5 rupees, children. So, what he will do? He will do minus rupees 5. Then, money children, money what? Money returned by the shopkeeper. Money returned by the shopkeeper okay children, shopkeeper is equal to children 10 minus 5. So it is 5. What? Rupees 5. You return what? The 5 rupee. Children, 5 rupee coin. Okay children. Now children, you see in second case, it is a doll. Children, you see this doll. The children. And doll cost is children, it is 2 rupees. It is only 2. Then children, when you give to the shopkeeper 10 rupee note, then shopkeeper will return to you how much? How you know? So children, what to write? Money given to the shopkeeper, children, is equal to rupees 10. Then the cost of the what? The doll is rupees 2. So the shopkeeper will minus rupees 02. Okay children. Then you see children, money returned by the shopkeeper is equal to children 10 minus 2. So 10 minus 2. So how much will return? 8 rupee. Children, you see 5 rupee, then 2 rupees, 7 rupees, then 1 rupee. So this much amount he will return to you. Okay, money returned by the shopkeeper is, you see, 8 rupees. So children, so it is 8 rupees. So children, after Corona you will go to the shop and what? You will enjoy the shopping. When you do shopping, you enjoy how much money you will give to the shopkeeper and how much he will return to you. Okay. So what to do? You also, shopkeeper will do what? The subtraction. Okay. Thank you.